Pantone announces the color of the year every year, so today I'm gonna do some makeup inspired by that color. Very Peri, I believe it's called. So if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. I'm gonna be doing a talk through this time. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. This is also gonna be a little bit of a Euphoria inspired look. I am gonna link all the products I use below, and as usual, all of my discount codes are in the description bar as well if you're interested in getting money off. How Miss Cassie was getting up at 5 in the morning to do this every day, because listen, I also, if y'all was wondering, like, I'm team Cassie, but this is also before the Super Bowl, so we gonna see what, you know, what happens this episode, and if my feelings change, and I will put it down in the comments below, but let me know what team you are. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.